In May 2023, the European Space Agency ESA confirmed receiving an encoded alien signal from Mars's orbit, causing a stir worldwide. Was this proof that Martian aliens were finally reaching out to us? Later, it was revealed that the signal wasn't from any alien civilization, but rather from ESA's own Mars Trace Gas Orbiter. They were simply testing how we'd retrieve an alien signal if it ever arrived. However, we're currently getting similar signals from Jupiter's moon, Europa. But what's causing these habitable readings? Could aliens actually be living there? Europa is considered a better and more cost-effective option for habitable life than Mars or Titan. Lastly, what makes NASA's upcoming $5 billion Clipper mission so special? Let's dive into this episode and find out. Our story begins in 1979 when both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft flew past Europa, giving us the first ever images of its surface. As you can see on your screen, Europa looked nothing like what scientists expected. Most moons are covered in craters caused by constant collisions with space debris. But Europa's surface didn't show any visible craters in these images. Instead, its surface was covered in crisscrossed lines, almost as if something with giant claws had scratched the moon. So, what could be causing these strange lines? The answer is nature. There are a few theories behind these fractures. The first theory involves tectonic movements. Just like Earth's crust is divided into plates, Europa's icy crust might be made up of frozen tectonic plates floating over an underground ocean. As these plates move apart, they could create the cracks we see on Europa's surface. However, there are some factors that don't fully support this tectonic theory. The second theory suggests cryovolcanism, cold volcanoes that release gases, water, ammonia, and hydrocarbons instead of magma. Europa contains ammonia and hydrocarbons, which are typical of cryovolcanoes. So as pressure builds beneath the ice, the surface could crack, releasing substances through volcanic eruptions and creating fractures. The third and most reasonable explanation involves Jupiter itself. Jupiter's massive gravitational pull might be applying so much tidal force on Europa that its surface cracks under the pressure. Regardless of the cause, all these explanations have one thing in common. An underground ocean exists beneath Europa's icy crust. This ocean could hold twice the amount of water found in all of Earth's oceans combined. And it's salty, just like Earth's seas. This makes Europa a better option for a second home than Mars, Titan, or any other celestial object in our solar system. Europa's atmosphere is composed of pure oxygen, unlike Titan, which is mostly nitrogen and methane. This means Europa's air is already breathable. No need for us to engineer an atmosphere first. Now, let's talk about the Clipper mission. NASA's Europa Clipper, scheduled to launch soon, is a $5 billion mission designed to study Europa's habitability and even look for alien signals. The spacecraft will make 49 flybys of Europa, orbiting Jupiter in between to save fuel. Europa Clipper will be equipped with 9 advanced instruments, including high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging systems, to map and analyze Europa's surface and icy crust. These instruments will help us understand if there's life beneath the surface and will send us invaluable data about Europa's environment. There's even a metal plate on board engraved with 103 sound waves, representing the word water in 103 different languages. This could be our way of communicating with any potential alien life on Europa. So, will we receive an alien signal from Europa? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, be sure to like it and share it with your friends.